Measures of dispersion, Part 1.
Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss new chapter, measures of dispersion. So in that we have total 9 marks. One is a 7 marks question and one is a 2 marks question. సో ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అలాగే మన ఛానల్ ఇంకా ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. So in this video, we will discuss about measures of central tendency and types of measures of central tendency and the definition of mean, median, mode and the definition of ungrouped data and grouped data. So without delay, coming to topic, measures of central tendency. So first of all, what is mean by measures of central tendency? See here, for example, consider two students A and B, and both the students are writing an exam for 5 questions and each question carrying 10 marks. And see the scores of A and scores of B. So total number of questions 5. The scores of A and B are, the scores of A 10, 8, 9, 8, 7. And the score of B are 4, 7, 10, 10, 10. Here to find the average score of A and B. See here, in the first case, we have to find the average score. So first, A's average score. So average score means, so add all the scores, that is 10 plus 8, 18 plus 9, 27 plus 8, 35 plus 7, 42. So which is divided by, total number of questions are 5. So 42 divided by 5, so which gives 8.4. So this is the average score of A. And similarly, you can find the average score of B. So which is equals to, again we should add all the scores, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 10, 21 plus 10, 31 plus 10, 41. So 41 divided by total number of questions 5. So again which becomes 8.2. See here, in the first case, the average score of A is more than the average score of B. Next, in the second case, so write the scores in either ascending order or descending order. So first A score. So write in the ascending order. So clearly the least number is 7. Next, after that 8. After that 8 again. Next, after that 9. Next 10. So clearly in that, what is the middle value? The middle value is 8. So this is the middle value. So clearly here the middle most score is 8. Next, again you should write the ascending order of B. Again write in the ascending order. So already they are in ascending order, 4, 7, 10, 10, 10. See in that, what is the middle value? 10. Therefore the middle most score is 10. See here, in the second case, this middle most score of B is greater than the middle most score of A. In the third case, once you observe the score of A, here the marks 8 is repeated 2 times, but in score B, the marks 10 is repeated 3 times. So clearly we can say that B score is better than the A score. So once you observe the 3 cases, in the first case, average score of A is greater than the average score of B. In the second case, middle most score of B is greater than middle most score of A. But in the third case, B score is greater than the A score. So clearly, these three are called measures of central tendency. So in the first case, the average score, which is called as mean. In the second case, the middlemost score, so which is called as median. See here in the third case, the score of A 10, 8, 9, 8, 7. 8 is repeated twice, but no marks repeated. But in the score of B, the marks 10 is repeated 3 times. So based on that, we can say that B score is greater than A score. Here, the number 8 is called mode. Here, the number 10 is called mode. So clearly, these three, what are that? Mean, median, mode. These three are called measures of central tendency. Okay. So clearly, mean, median, mode. These three are called what? Measures of central tendency. So next, in statistics, the data can be divided into two types. The first one is ungrouped data and second one is grouped data. So first one, ungrouped data. So ungrouped data means in this the data contains individual points. See, individual point means, for example, in any cricket match, a batsman A scored like 30 in the first match, 40 in the second match, 50 in the third match, and 80 in the fourth match. So this type of data is called ungrouped data. So it contains only individual points. Next one is grouped data. So the grouped data are two types. The first one is discrete frequency distribution. So here discrete frequency distribution means, so let us consider any n observations. So let x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn are n observations with their frequencies. Some f1 comma f2 comma and so on fn. So that is write in table first observations. So next one frequencies. So what are the observations? x1, x2 and so on xn. Their frequencies fn, f2 and so on fn. So this type of data is called discrete frequency distribution. And the next one is a continuous frequency distribution. So in this data contains intervals. See that? So clearly 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. These are the intervals. So this type of data is called what? Continuous frequency distribution. Okay. So these are called two types of group data. So if any question is given, first we have to find the given data is either ungrouped or grouped. For ungrouped data, the given data contains individual points. For grouped data, it contains the observations and frequencies, that is called discrete frequency distribution. And second one, it contains the class intervals, so that is called continuous frequency distribution. For next session, we will discuss more concept. If you have any doubts in that, please comment. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.